Hello, kiddos. This is like a rose in the summer soprano part. Here's your pitch. Ready? Like a rose in the summer, I bloom and grow. I shine in the sunlight like morning dew. Singing songs with the birds flying high on the breeze, sharing secrets with the wind as it whispers through the trees like a rose in the summer. I bloom and grow like a winding river. I am free like the rippling water. I travel on from high in the mountains to the valley to the sea. I answer the voice that is calling to me like a winding river. I am free. Okie dokie, make sure that you stagger breathe. I took a lot of breaths everywhere, but feel free to sit out for a note or two to take your breath, okay? Happy practicing.